Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Aisha Marketing Wali and I am the student of Rehan School Online Academy and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today I am going to review a very inspiring TEDx talk by Meena Tariq. She is investor and business leader who has spent many years helping startups and young in Pakistan. A title of her talk is about investing in ideas when we feel scared. This talk is not only for people who want to start a business, it is for also for student freelancers, creators, and anyone who was a dream but is afraid to take step. So in this review, I will explain the main lessons from her talk in very easy English. I will also share my own thoughts after each lesson. So let's start. Uh, Meena Tariq begins by talking about ideas. She says that successful company, invention, or project start with just one simple idea. At first, many people did not believe in these ideas. Some people laughed at them. Some people thought they would fail. But the people who believed in their ideas keep working. Because of their hard work, those ideas become successful business and change many lives. So Nina tells us that the biggest mistake is not failure. The biggest mistake is never trying because of the fear of failure. Many people have wonderful ideas, but they never start because they think, what if I fail? What people will say? Maybe I am not good enough. So Mina says that thoughts many dreams before they even begin. I really like this introduction. It made me think about how many people have good ideas but never share them. Fear is normal. Everyone feels afraid from doing something new. But if we don't try, we will never know what could happen. One of the most important lessons from this talk is that every successful business start with a simple idea. No company become successful overnight. Everybody start somewhere. Some start in a small room. Some had very little money. Some failed many times before they become successful. The important thing was they believed in their ideas. Mina wants us to understand that we do not need to be rich to start. We do not need perfect condition. We simply need an idea and the courage to begin. The lesson is very inspiring. Many people think, especially many students think, they need a lot of money before starting a business. But many successful campaigns start with every small resources. The first step is always the most important. Mina says that fear is a part of life. Everyone feels scared. Students feel scared before exams, and speakers feel nervous before giving a speech. Even successful people still experience fear. So, other difference is that successful people do not allow fear to stop them. Instead, they keep moving forward. Fear should be signal that we are trying something new. It should not become a reason to quit. I completely agree with this point. Whenever I start something new, I also feel so nervous, but every new experience teaches us something. If we keep waiting until we are completely confident, we may wait forever. Another important lesson is about taking risk. Many people think taking risk being careless, but Mina explained that this is not true. A small risk means learning, planning, and then taking action. If we never take risk, we stay in the same place. Growth happen outside our comfort zone. So every was to make difficult decisions. Some ideas work, and some ideas are fail. So, but every experience teach us any important lesson. I think this lesson is useful for everyone. When whether we are students or business owner, we all need courage. Failure is not the end; it is a part of learning. So I really respect this part of talk. Helping others become successful is a wonderful goal. When someone like success many families can benefit from that success. So, one of the most important thing is that she explains she believes education is very, very important. Learning give us confidence. It helps us make better decisions. It teach us how to solve problems. She also says learning does not end after school or university. We should keep learning every day through books, courses, mentors, and real life experience. So I think, in my opinion, overall, I really enjoyed this TEDx talk. It's simple, practical, and full of motivation. Mina Tariq explained difficult ideas in an easy way. She reminded us that every successful person once had doubts and fear. The difference is that they did not stop. Instead, they trust their ideas and worked hard. This talk teaches us that every great business starts with one idea. Fear is normal. Take small risks. Keep learning. Believe in yourself. Help others grow. Never give up on your dreams. So I would give this talk 10 out of 10 rating because it very very interesting. It is very inspiring, easy to understand, and like full of practical advice. I recommended this talk to students, freelancers, marketing students, and teachers, and anyone who wants to build a future or business. And I hope you learned something valuable from my this review. And thank you so much for watching and listening my review. And remember, every successful journey begins with a small idea. So see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.